This is Girl Shay Nut, UndergroundGirlsOfHipHop.com. We're here with Slip and Slide DJ, Atlantic recording artist, Canary Diamonds. What's up? What's good with you, Ma? I'm doing good out here in Cali. You know, it's the same kind of weather, sunshine all the time. More money. What's back? That money. Mo Money, produced by Meech Wells. Girl getting a grind on. We got a video coming up. Let's talk about that a little bit, the single.
Okay, well, definitely the single was produced by DJ Meech Wells. The whole concept of the record is, just out there grinding, getting money, no matter what you're doing. As long as you're trying to better yourself and get money, I think you would really enjoy this song, whether you're at a corporate job, whether you're at McDonald's, whether you doing what you're doing on the corner. I mean, definitely if you get money and you grind it and try to take it to the next level, you're going to really feel this joint.
Absolutely, absolutely. Mo Money. Now, you the newest artist on Slip and Slide DJs. Tell me how you made that connection.
Man, Slip and Slide DJs, they support my records so much, and I really do appreciate all DJs that's backing my records and just any DJs in general that backs my record. But definitely my manager is Troy to the Vent, who is the president of the Slip and Slide DJs. And so definitely they helped me out a lot with the project. So that's how that came to transpire.
Okay. How long you been behind the mic giving us the goods, man,
I've been seriously behind the mic, honestly, just for like a couple of years. Definitely I went to school for audio engineering, so I actually started working, like making beats and stuff like that, and recording vocals, recording rock bands, mixing down vocals and stuff like that before I actually started rapping. But once I got in front of the microphone, it's just like addicted. It's like it's crack for me. I just can't get enough of it, and I've really been taking the craft serious like the last couple of years, and my career is just really taking off and blossoming. And from being a female hip-hop artist in Florida, and I got people in Cali feeling me, people in New York feeling me, people in the Midwest, definitely people across seas, UK, Australia,
yes,
Belgium. Definitely I'm doing some worldwide, some major things and stuff like that. So I'm excited about the whole entire project.
That's what's up. So you behind the mic and you behind the board. Can we expect you to produce any type of tracks on your album that's coming up?
Oh, man, you know what? I really never even thought about it, but I need to.
Of course, girl. You female producer, female artist. Let's worldwide. Let's do this. Canary Diamonds.
Exactly. I mean, I'm the executive producer in my whole project, so that's real big for me. I wrote every record on my album. Definitely, I should, go and pull out the MPC and get a banging beat going and definitely let them know exactly everything I can do in the game, because, I'm interested in the business aspect of it besides just being in front of the microphone. And so I think that carries me a lot as far as being so business-minded, because a lot of artists, they really not focusing on the business aspect of it, just more like the artistry, which is, I love focusing on the artistry, but you have to have the business right. And
exactly.
So I'm excited about it.
And I'm glad you touched on that, because right now, the female hip-hop, race right now is a bit fragile, in the industry. So I hear you talk about business, I hear you behind, in front of the mic like we talked about, behind the board, producing. What do you think is going to take right now for us to knock down them glass ceilings and, get them O's like Cheerios, like they're giving it, the male rappers out here? What you think is going to take for us to, knock down those walls?
It's going to have to be, it has to be a female that comes in that actually talk about more things than just her private parts. And that's just being honest, because the average woman works a 9 to 5 and they mothers, and,
exactly.
And when you try to market yourself to those type of women, you have to be talking about a certain type of things. They're independent. A lot of independent women right now, the head of their households and stuff like that. So I touch on everything.
Canary.
My music.
Preach, girl. Man, speak on it, girl.
Exactly. It's just like, I feel like what's going to take in order to take for a female artist to come and just knock down all these barriers, you have to touch on the women that's the majority. You know what I'm saying? And definitely I try to touch on that, you know, because I have been in all those situations. So definitely, and I'm giving my story back to the women, and I market my music to the women. I don't market my music to the men. You know, music, men, if I did that, that's all a man want to hear is my parts. You know, my sexual parts. It's not about that. It's about, you know, child support. That's going to be another record I'm coming up with soon. You know what I'm saying? It's about
so lyrically, we're going to
family.
get the life of a true femc, basically.
Exactly. You're going to get everything. You're going to get everything. All kind of things that's going to help, songs that's going to help you get over a relationship, to songs that help you get on your grind, get your money, to songs that, you know, telling you you don't have to be fooling up in an abusive relationship. You can get out. You can just replace him with somebody who's better. So I'm just trying to bring it. I'm trying to touch on every aspect average female goes through in their lifetime journey.
You have me excited about this Canary Diamonds album. When can we expect for the drop? I know we're just doing the single, you know, we're getting a video in place, but, you know, do we have a drop date yet?
No, I don't have a drop date yet, but actually I'm in the process of dropping a mixtape called The Top Model of Hip Hop. It's probably going to be dropping this week sometime with DJ Mummy Fresh from the UK. Definitely, she supports a lot of my records, and I want to give her a big shout out for supporting my records and grinding with me and stuff like that. Like, I got all kind of mixtapes that's going to drop, but the album is going to be crazy. I'm writing records for the album now. I'm recording records for the album. I mean, I'm excited about the album because I'm just going to keep it real. I mean, I feel like I'm this generation's Lauryn Hill, and I'm not trying to be like Lauryn Hill. I'm not trying to sound like Lauryn Hill, but she had a big impact on hip-hop and female hip-hop in general, and that's definitely, like, my goal, because I'm not just a regional artist. I'm not just a Florida artist. I consider myself a worldwide artist, and I'm going to bring it to them hard, and whether it's spitting hard like the boys, I can do that, you know what I'm saying, or whether it's being more soft and being more ladylike, I can do that as well. So the record is going to be a whole collection of who Canary Diamond really is, and the album it's going to be called My Story, and I'm just going to give them who Canary Diamond is on it.
My Story. And give everybody your MySpace page where they can check you out, get a sample of My Story and what you're putting out there to the people. It's myspace.com/
Canary Diamond, which is spelled KANERIDIAMOND. Canary Diamond.
Canary Diamond, that's what we talking about. Underground Girls of Hip-Hop.com. Support more money, you know, request that in your nearest store, radio, play it on MySpace all day, 300 times a day. Canary Diamonds, that's what we talking about on Cali, Florida.